Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a comparison of AMP futures and Optimus futures. In order to do so, here we are at ampfutures.com and we're also at optimusfutures.com. And to do a comparison, let's go ahead and check in with Cider AI. Cider is a fantastic extension that allows you to ask questions at any time and get the answers you're looking for. According to Cider, AMP Futures and Optimus Futures are both platforms in the cryptocurrency trading space, but they serve different purposes and cater to different types of traders. Here's a brief comparison. AMP Futures is primarily known for its role as a collateral token in the Flexa network, which focuses on making digital payments faster and more secure across various platforms. AMP Futures typically involves futures trading related to the underlying AMP token or similar assets within the Flexa ecosystem, and it offers leverage trading for more experienced traders, provides risk management tools and options for hedging, and integration with the Flexa network, allowing for seamless transactions using AMP. Optimus Futures, on the other hand, is often referred to in the context of trading platforms that focus on futures contracts across various assets, including cryptocurrencies, commodities, and indices. Optimus Futures aims to provide a robust trading experience for those interested in futures trading in broader markets, not just cryptocurrencies. It has advanced charting and technical analysis tools, a wider range of futures contracts across different asset classes, and often includes educational resources for traders to improve their skills. In conclusion, if you're primarily interested in trading cryptocurrencies with the focus on payment solutions, AMP Futures could be more suitable. If you're looking for broader futures trading platform with various asset classes, Optimus Futures may be a better fit. Consider your trading strategy and risk tolerance. If you prefer specialized trading in a specific token, AMP might be preferable, while Optimus could be ideal for diversified trading. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested in taking advantage of Cider AI, take a look at the link in the description. There you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and AI recommendations, including Cider. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.